Alright, good morning and good evening. This is a continuation of our expression um, review earlier today. We want to, this query is to, I want to retrieve records of dogs with an ID of 3 and 4. So how do we do that in expression, C# expression trees? So luckily I stumbled upon, I'm not sure where is it. Oh yeah, this one here in Stack Overflow. So just by, I'll give credit to this guy. What's the name of this guy? Survey. Okay, thanks, Survey. So I just use the just imitate or copy what he is doing here, and then so we have a filter here, and our filter here is, hey, where's our, did we stop it? Yep. So our filter here is like there's a property that we need to check. So this is the left side of the expression, and this is the right side. So the right side is gonna be an array of IDs. So and this is just, and because this is a string, we'll have to parse this into a list of IDs. So from this, it's gonna be turned into a list of ID from a string, parse it to a list of IDs, and then we're gonna define the method info that we're going to use. In our example here, we're going to use the contains. So it will, so it's like the query will look like this. If we're not going to use the expression trees, the query will look like this. Context dogs dot where x is equals to IDs that contains the ID of the dogs that we're trying to retrieve. IDs here. So it will look like that. So this contains here, this is the method info, and then we apply first we get the parameter expression here, the x. So this is the x here, this x, and this dog here is because this x is the dog here. And then the left expression is, this is the left. We're going to get the property. So the property, this is the property, the ID, for example, the ID that we want to get. So in our example here, or it's already lost. So we the property is like so the ID. So the ID that we want to get, and so yeah, so this one here is the ID. So that is the left, and then the right. So the expression constant. So this is the constant value. So this is from the input that we want to get. So it's like the list of IDs here. 1, 2, 3. So this is the constant. This is already converted into a list of integers from string. So left and right. And then we're going to do the expression call. So the right, and then the method info, which is going to be the contains, and then the left expression, which is the property ID in our example here. And then this contain expression here, where it's then gonna be added into the where expression that is gonna be used here to retrieve um, the the data itself. So this is how to compose it. So the dog bool then contains. We're just going to add this is the lambda here, and that's it. Contains expression. I'm not sure if we use this one here directly. Oh no, no, we have to do the where, because this is the where here. This one here, the where expression, method call expression, where expression. This is the where here, and this one here is inside it. This one here. All right, so that's it. If we're going to run this, and this is the endpoint, so say ID, where ID is 1, 2, and 3. It should give us the list of this one here, John Lloyd, Ellen, and Kmode. Right, execute that. John Lloyd, Ellen, and Kmode. All right, cool. So that's it, guys. Hopefully that is helpful. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye.